Hey guys, this is Stephen Ray, and it is currently coming up on 1 o'clock. And I wanted to do a quick little video and let you guys know that the National Weather Service over in Memphis, Tennessee, has issued a winter weather advisory for the counties right there that are in the blue shaded area. Now, I do want to also mention this includes a small portion of north and northwestern Mississippi. This is basically from the cities of Clarksdale over to Oxford and Tupelo and points off to the north. This will not include Aberdeen. This will not affect Grenada. But this is for the northern portions of Mississippi. And this does include like I said, it is going to include Corinth, Senatoba, Holly Springs, South Haven, Olive Branch, Hernando, Clarksdale, Oxford, and Tupelo. All right, and so here is what you can expect based off of the winter weather advisory for the day on Thursday. And so you can definitely expect travel conditions to become hazardous in and around the Memphis metro area. So if you do not have to travel tomorrow, I urge you guys to not be on the roads between 3 a.m. and 6 p.m. There also is the potential for a light snow, but this, of course, the bigger threat is definitely going to be the ice accumulations of generally under 1 inch. Travel conditions could become difficult, and hazardous conditions may affect the morning and evening commutes tomorrow. Also, power outages and tree damage are possible where ice accumulations occur. All right, and so this is pretty much for all of the Mid South, and snow and sleet accumulations of up to 2 inches are possible across the Memphis metro area, and then a mixture of sleet and freezing rain is expected across southwest Tennessee and north Mississippi. So, once again, this is a winter weather advisory that does include a good portion of North Mississippi. And this does include, like I said, the Oxford, Mississippi metro area. This also includes the area down there that includes the Clarksdale area, the Oxford and Tupelo areas as well. So that is the issue for the ice tomorrow. Now, here is the official snowfall forecast from Thursday morning through Thursday afternoon. And as you can see, basically from Tunica over to Holly Springs and over to Corinth, Mississippi, anywhere less than an inch of snow. And you get more snow as you go up into the Tennessee area up there towards the Paris, Tennessee area and north of Memphis. So this is going to be a majority of a ice threat as we get into the day tomorrow. Now, I did want to also show you for anybody that is in central or south Mississippi, I want to show you this. There is a potential for sleet and a cold rain. But as you can see, Greenville, Greenwood, Eupora, Columbus, Yazoo City, Vicksburg, Jackson, Philadelphia, Meridian, Natchez, Brookhaven, McGee, Laurel, and Hattiesburg will all be above freezing. So, yes, we will have rain tonight across central Mississippi and the Delta. However, there will be no impacts from the 55 corridor points east and west, and there will be no impacts from the Highway 82 corridor and south. This is going to be an issue from Highway 82 and points off to the north. So once again, Greenville, Greenwood, Eupora, and Columbus points off to the south. Yes, you are going to have a cold rain, but no threat of any ice or snow this go round. It is going to be for a small portion of North Mississippi, north of a Clarksdale to Oxford to Tupelo, Mississippi area. This will not include Grenada and it will not include the Aberdeen, Mississippi area. So, once again, the cities under the winter weather advisory are going to be Senatobia, Holly Springs, Corinth, Tupelo, Clarksdale, Oxford, Hernando, South Haven, and Olive Branch, Mississippi. Also, including the entire Memphis metro area. And like I said, power outages and tree damage are possible where the ice accumulation occurs. So that is the situation that we have currently right now. This also stretches into the areas into southeastern Arkansas and a good portion of western Tennessee, which includes places like Dyersburg, Jackson, over to the Memphis metro area. So, once again, travel conditions could become difficult and hazardous conditions may affect the morning and evening commutes tomorrow in and around the greater Memphis area. So please, I urge you guys to, if you don't have to get out on the roads tomorrow at all on Thursday, make sure you don't. Now, once again, there is the snowfall forecast, and everybody that is across the Memphis metro area or North Mississippi are supposed to see generally less than 1 inch of snow. So this is going to be more of a freezing rain, glaze, and sleet potential as we get into the day tomorrow. And once again, I know I sound like a broken record, but I want to make this very clear. If you are in any of those cities that are currently under the green shaded area, you guys have zero threat of seeing freezing rain or snow tomorrow. Greenville, Greenwood, Eupora, Starkville, Columbus, Yazoo City, Vicksburg, Jackson, Philadelphia, you guys will all be well above freezing. So, yes, it will rain tonight. There could be a couple of sleet mixed in with the rain, but everything is going to be too warm across central and southern Mississippi to cause any issues. The only areas of concern, once again, are going to be from Clarksdale over to Oxford and Tupelo and points to the north. So this is a very small portion of North Mississippi, but I did want to let the people know in North Mississippi that you guys are under a winter weather advisory, and there is the potential for a few power outages and tree damage wherever the ice accumulations occur. And especially if you are in Hernando, Tunica, Mississippi, or the Memphis metro area, your driving conditions may become hazardous around the morning or evening commutes during the day tomorrow. And the winter weather advisory does not go into effect officially until Thursday morning at 3 a.m. and will end by 6 p.m. tomorrow evening. So we are going to be A-OK today. This is going to be for the day on Thursday, which is tomorrow. So once again, let me go on ahead and read you guys the official statement from the National Weather Service up in Memphis. Mixed precipitation is expected. Total snow and sleet accumulations of up to 2 inches and ice accumulations of a light glaze. And this is for portions of North Mississippi, West Tennessee, East Arkansas, and southeastern Missouri. Travel could become difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commutes, and power outages may be expected due to the ice accumulations. Slow down and use caution while traveling, and the latest road conditions for the state of Mississippi you are in by calling from an obtained 511. So, once again, the latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. So, once again, here are a localized area of cities that are underneath the winter weather advisory tonight and tomorrow: Olive Branch, South Haven, Corinth, Iuka, Tunica, Holly Springs, Ripley, Senatobia, Boonville, Clarksdale, Oxford, Batesville, New Albany, Pontotoc, Tupelo, Fulton, Dyersburg. Jackson, Tennessee is also under it. The Memphis metro area, Bolivar, and Savannah. And this goes into effect at 3 a.m. in the morning and lasts until 6 p.m. tomorrow evening. So I will continue to watch the latest weather information. And if anything happens to be upgraded to a winter storm warning or a winter storm watch, I will be right back here to provide the latest weather information right here for you guys on social media. Now, guys, remember, today is going to be a perfect day. Tonight is going to be okay up until 3 a.m. And then that is, of course, when the sleet and freezing rain is supposed to move into the area and last all the way until 6 p.m. tomorrow evening. And so, once again, there are the counties down here in North Mississippi that are underneath the winter storm warning, or I'm sorry, the winter weather advisory until 6 p.m. this tomorrow evening. So, guys, I hope that y'all have a great rest of your Wednesday. Enjoy it because it is going to be rain free, snow free, and ice free until we get to 3 a.m. in the morning. And I will continue to watch things and have a full update as things warrant as we continue to watch this potential for a hazardous conditions in the morning and evening commute tomorrow. All right, guys, it is coming up on 1:10 evening, 1:10 p.m. and I hope everybody is doing well today on this Wednesday. And we currently have a winter, excuse me, a winter weather advisory that is now in effect for a good portion of North Alabama. And this does include all of the counties in North Alabama. And this includes the areas of Colbert, Coleman, DeKalb, Franklin, Jackson, Lauderdale, Lawrence, Limestone, Madison, Morgan, and Marshall counties. And this includes, the Florence, Russellville, Huntsville, Coleman, Fort Payne, and Stevenson, Alabama areas. It also includes a portion of the southern middle Tennessee, which includes Fayetteville and the Sweeney, Tennessee area. Now, what you can expect is snow accumulations of 1 to 2 inches with ice accumulations of around a tenth of an inch. And this is from 4 a.m. in the morning until 6 p.m. tomorrow evening. And plan on hazardous road conditions and continue to monitoring updated forecasts. So this is going to include Florence, Killen, Tuscumbia, Muscle Shoals, Russellville, Red Bay, Coleman, Decatur, Huntsville, Madison, Stevenson, Fort Payne, Boaz, and places in between. Now, here is what you can expect. A wintry mix is possible early Thursday morning through Thursday evening. The highest confidence for accumulating precipitation will be for areas north of the Tennessee River, especially in southern middle Tennessee. After a break, all the rain Thursday afternoon, temperatures will drop below freezing Thursday evening, which may result in the formation of black ice. Overall forecast confidence is low due to the uncertainties in where the freezing line will set up. Dangerous cold air will move back into the area on Thursday night and into Friday morning, and wind chills will drop into the single digits. All right, and if you are driving, a few bridges and overpasses may become slick on Thursday. Black ice may become an issue Thursday night into Friday morning. Dress warm and limit outdoor exposure. This will be the coldest day of the season. And do bring your pets indoors as they will get cold too. So that is from the National Weather Service up there in Huntsville. Now, I also need to mention that 3 counties in the Birmingham National Weather Service coverage area are underneath the same advisory, and this is for the Marion, Lamar, and Walker counties. And I'm sorry, Lamar, Marion, and Winston counties. Total accumulations will be a light glaze, and slippery road conditions are possible, which could impact the morning commute in the morning. However, the warning or the advisory for the Birmingham National Weather Service area, it expires at noon tomorrow. The one in North Alabama goes until 6 p.m. tomorrow evening. So the one for North Alabama is going to last a lot longer. The one for the Birmingham coverage area, which includes Lamar, Marion, and Winston counties, are going to end at noon. Now, here is the official watch text. Okay. A mixed precipitation is expected. Total snow accumulations of up to 1 inch with locally or higher amounts possible, and ice accumulations of around 1/10 of an inch. Proportions of north and central, northeast, and northwest Alabama. Plan on slippery road conditions, and the hazard conditions could impact the morning and or the evening commutes tomorrow. Additional details. Dangerous cold will settle in Thursday night after the rain ends. Any water on the road will likely freeze and become ice. There is a high amount of forecast uncertainties, and snow and ice totals may fluctuate in the future updates. Please continue to monitor the forecasts and slow down and use caution while traveling. And that is from the National Weather Service up there in Huntsville. And one more stop to let you guys know about the one for Lamar, Marion, and Winston counties in the Birmingham Weather Service office coverage area. Freezing rain is expected. Total ice accumulations of a light glaze is possible between Hamilton, Sulligent, Vernon, and Double Springs from 5 a.m. until noon on Thursday. Slippery road conditions are possible, which could impact the morning commute. Now, additional details is cold temperatures are expected to move into the far northwestern portions of central Alabama Thursday morning. A brief period of light freezing rain will be possible before the rainfall comes to an end on midday on Thursday down here to the south. However, up towards the north, once again, this will be a longer duration event, especially in the Huntsville metro area and North Alabama. So, once again, I want to make this very clear from the Weather Service in Huntsville. The counties that you see here on this graphic, including Florence, Russellville, Huntsville, Decatur, Coleman, Stevenson, and Fort Payne. Your winter weather advisory goes until 6 p.m. And the one for Birmingham for the counties of Lamar, Marion, and Winston, that ends at noon tomorrow. So this will be a brief window of this happening for northwest Alabama between Sulligent, Vernon, and of course Double Springs. It will be a longer lasting event for the places up in North Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee. So, guys, I intend to do another video to update you guys in case they were to upgrade to a winter storm watch or a winter storm warning, because there are still some forecast uncertainties with this forecast. And as it says right there, continue monitoring updated forecasts. So I intend to do another video for you guys right here on social media tonight around 7 o'clock. Before then, if necessary, I do need to mention that today is going to be a perfect day. There's going to be no issues for North Alabama or Central Alabama until around 4 a.m. And then, of course, we get the rain that is coming in here towards the area. And there, of course, once again, is the small area of northwestern Alabama for the potential of freezing rain. As you can see, everybody else down here, basically along the I-22 corridor, all the way down to the coast, you guys are not going to see any impacts from this. If you were in central Alabama, if you were in west Alabama, or if you were in east Alabama, you have no issues to worry about. This is for the far northwestern portions of Alabama. Now, yes, it will rain tonight. Yes, it will rain tomorrow, but everybody south of the 2059 corridor and south of a Vernon to Fayette to Millport line are going to be too warm to see anything. So that is the issue that we currently have across Alabama. So, guys, I intend to do another update tonight. I will see you guys about 7 o'clock before then if necessary.